Hello kids, let's join Happy and her little baby brother on their bedtime routine. How do they get ready to sleep? Let's watch and learn. Happy is fresh from her warm bath. Little bubbles still sparkle on her nose. Baby brother wiggles and shakes like a tiny puppy. Shake, shake, but softly because bedtime is near. Happy hears something, a quiet chick-book, 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 chick-book. Friends, what is that? Do you hear that sound? Chick-book, 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 chick-book. She tiptoes to the window to check it out. Rolling along a cloud track, a glowing train appears. Lights twinkling, wheels soft as clouds. It's the dream train. Here to help Happy, Baby, and you all to get ready for sleep. Let's get ready to bed. We bathed. Now what should we do? Can you help us? Correct. Brush our teeth. Happy brushes up, down and around. Baby brother chews his brush like a little bunny. Hooray! One step completed. Star 1 jumps aboard. Super! Let's go to the next step. Let's choose our pajamas. Happy chooses cloud pajamas. Baby brother gets moon pajamas with tiny ears. Star 2 joins the train. Awesome! We bathed and brushed our teeth, got our pajamas ready. Then what should we do to get ready to sleep? Can you guess? Correct! Let's read our favorite storybook. Happy opens a favorite storybook. Baby brother turns the pages, sometimes too fast. Happy and baby brother finishes reading their book. Now Star 3 hops in. Super! We are almost there. We brushed our teeth. We got our pajamas. We even read our favorite storybook. Now what should we do? Correct. We should say goodnight to our mom and dad. Happy and baby give mommy a hug, daddy too. A tiny kiss for baby brother's forehead. Wow! Now Star 4 trills in. Good job! We bathed and brushed our teeth. We got our pajamas. We read our favorite storybook. And we even said goodnight to our mom and dad. Now what should we do? Can you tell us? Correct. We should turn off the room light to get to sleep. Night light glows. Room turns cozy and calm. The dream train beams brighter in the dark. Now Star 5 slides inside. Awesome! Come on, let's go to our beds and sleep nicely and dream. Happy climbs into her soft bed. Baby brother cuddles steady close. Let's tuck our blankets up to our chin. Tuck, tuck. Now Star 6 floats in. Good job! Hooray! We helped Happy and baby brother to complete their bedtime routine. What all did they do? First, they bathed, then brushed their teeth, then they chose their favorite pajamas. Then what should we do? Correct. We should read our favorite storybook And don't forget to wish our mom and dad good night hugs. And lastly, switch off the room lights to get a nice deep sleep. Happy and baby brother are in their beds ready to sleep and yawning. Let's yawn too. Ah. Star 7 is also sleepy just like us. Star 8 twinkles once, twice and then sleeps. Star 8 also slept off. Can you close your eyes? Open your eyes. Close like a sleepy star. Star 9 hugs a tiny star pillow. Give your blanket a little squeeze. Star 10 is shy, but soon eyes flutter. All stars are bored and sleep. The dream train rises into the clouds. We helped Happy and baby brother to complete their bedtime routine. What all did they do? Can you repeat after me? First, bath. Then, brush. Then, pajamas. Then, reading books. Then, good night to mom and dad. Lastly, switch off the lights and tuck yourself in the blankets. Just like me and my baby brother, you should also follow this bedtime routine every night. Okay? Awesome! The stars glow softly through the train windows. The dream train whispers, "Good night, Happy. Good night, baby. See you in the dream world. Good night, kids." Choo. Let's meet tomorrow again before your bedtime. Good night. Don't forget to subscribe to Happy Kids channel.